It's a case where the future is now. In this test, the package goes in and a drone takes it to a delivery destination. A buzz coming soon to the Edmonton Airport.
We started to have some conversations on what we were doing, and cargo is a big part of their world, and that ended up being a good fit.
Out of all the airports in the country, Ontario-based Drone Delivery Canada chose EIA to commercialize its operations, in part because drones already have a presence here. Specifically for wildlife control, cargo delivery via drone is seen as the next step.
We really take our cues from our community, and I think about how the mayor, for example, talked about the city as a living lab, and the airport can be that.
Drone Delivery Canada, which is considered a compliant operator under Transport Canada rules, will start with its smallest drone, which can carry up to 4.5 kilograms with a 30-kilometer range. Takeoff and landing zones will be established, and drone routes at the active airport will have to be worked out.
One of the pieces that EIA can provide is an introduction into that community and to all those tenants and, of course, potential customers.
Longer term, the company points to incorporating its largest craft, capable of carrying up to 180 kilograms with a 200-kilometer range.
The intention is for us to build out over time a drone logistics network centered on Edmonton International Airport.
Over the last few years, there's been a push to grow business at EIA, all centered around what's being called Airport City, with drones seen as the next big thing for deliveries.
We do expect to see increased drone usage at the airport, consistent with regulations in a safe manner.
Expect to see the drones take to the sky by next year. Vinesh Pratap, Global News.